In this video, I'll show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Method 1. Use notification history. Android. First, open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. From there, enable notification history. Once this is turned on, your phone will keep a record of incoming WhatsApp messages, even if they're later deleted. This means you can still view the deleted message through your notification history as long as notifications were enabled when the message arrived. Why this doesn't work on iPhone? Unfortunately, iPhones don't have a full notification history feature. In rare cases, if your signal is weak, WhatsApp might temporarily store a deleted notification, but this isn't reliable. For this method to work at all, WhatsApp notifications must be turned on. Method 2. Restore a chat backup, iPhone, and Android. If you're using an iPhone or if the first method didn't work, there's another option. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Chats, and then select Chat Backup. If you have a backup that was created before the message was deleted, you can restore that backup and recover the message. The message will still appear as deleted for the other person, but you'll be able to see it in your chat history. Set up Auto Backup for the future. To avoid missing messages in the future, make sure Auto Backup is enabled. You can set backups to run daily, weekly, or monthly, so you always have a recent backup available. And that's it. These are the two main methods that can help you recover deleted WhatsApp messages. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.